Good morning, friends. We are on chapter number 4 of account part 2, which is analysis of financial statement. Today, in this lecture, we will learn about the uses of financial analysis. Uses and uses of financial analysis. Uses of financial analysis. Generally, four different aspects are analyzed from the analysis of financial statement. Those four aspects are analysis of profitability, analysis of liquidity, analysis of solvency, and analysis of efficiency. Analysis of profitability disclose the earning capacity of business entity, and the analysis of liquidity discloses the short term solvency of business. Analysis of solvency discloses the long term solvency of business, and analysis of efficiency discloses and the degree of use of asset. Friends, detail about this is given in next chapter, that is ratio analysis. From the above study objective, different stakeholders make their different decisions, that can be described in brief as follow. The first one is dividend decisions. For dividend decisions in a company form, dividend decisions is analyzed by different stakeholders like existing investors, potential investors, and company itself. What amount of dividend can be paid is decided by the management of company. What amount of dividend will be received is estimated by investors. The dividend decisions is determined through profitability analysis. The payment of dividend is based on earning capacity. This can be decided by profitability analysis. For dividend payment decisions, financial statement analysis is useful. So friend, financial analysis is useful for dividend decisions. Company take decisions on the basis of financial analysis. Company declares dividend, which depends upon the earning capacity of the company. Out of that profit, company declares the dividend. Also, investors decide what amount of dividend they will be getting approximately from financial statement analysis. So it is useful for dividend decisions by both the party, where it is investor or the company. Let us see the second one, the decisions of investment, that is for investment decisions. Now friends, the investors invest their funds in a company for two purposes. Number one, for receiving the regular income of dividend or interest, and second, for capital appreciation. The information pertaining to both the purpose can be availed from the profitability and solvency analysis respectively. Thus, investors use this analysis for their decision. So, friends, we know normally people are investing in a company, or investors are investing in a company with two reasons. For one, for regular income, that may be of dividend or interest, and second, capital appreciation in long term. The information of both the purposes can be availed from profitability and solvency analysis respectively. Thus, investors use this analysis for their decisions. Let us see the third one for lending decisions. The third use is lending decision. Short term and long term loans and advances are provided to the business entity by bank and financial institution. To know how far their decisions are safe, the analysis for examination of short term and long term solvency is useful. So, lending decisions, the companies or the loan provider, they take their decision to provide whether to provide loans or fund to the company or not. Now, if they do so, to know how far their decisions are safe, the analysis for examination of short term and long term solvency becomes useful for them. Let us talk about the last one, that is for borrowing decisions. Friend, this decision is useful for business entity itself. From their analysis of financial statement, business entity can estimate its own borrowing capacity to borrow the funds from the market. On the basis of this evaluation, the opportunities of new investment can be explored. So, from their financial analysis, they can know their borrowing capacity, and then on the basis of borrowing capacity, they can decide about the opportunities for new investment which may be available to the business entity. Right? So, friends, this was about the uses of financial analysis. Users of financial analysis: the information disclosed in financial statement can be used directly by the stakeholder, but after having analysis of financial statement, the information of financial statement becomes more precise and understandable. Therefore, all the stakeholder can take their appropriate decisions. This analysis is for internal purpose, for external users, for short term decisions, for long term decisions, for existing investors, and also for potential investors. So there are many users of financial analysis. For their own decisions, the financial analysis becomes useful to them. So friends, this was all about the uses and users of financial analysis. Next lecture we will be learning about the limitations of analysis of financial statement. Okay, thank you.